Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts to keep you motivated in every situation. I hope you will like these thoughts, and if you like them, please like and share the video. Now let's get started with our thoughts. Live not like a flower. You will disintegrate the day you blossom. Live like a stone, for once when you carved, you will be a form of God. If darkness falls your way, your destination is somewhere out there. This is what a tired traveler thinks and strolls faster, and the sun sets sooner. Only via personal experience can the self be realized, and the realization can only occur via personal experience. Face the conflict with courage. If you succeed, you will be fortunate, and if you fail, you will gain wisdom. You will never give up, you will never stop, and you will never look back. Make an oath to yourself. You have the power to change your thoughts, which will also transform your life. If you have courage, you can overcome any difficulty. You will never achieve anything with a weak heart. Dreams are not those which we see while sleeping. Dreams are those which don't let us sleep. Thank you for being with us.